Hi everybody, Gary Porter again. I'm going to review the basic setup for my next addition, which is the motor. I'll just take you through the basic circuit here. 12 volt battery, runs about 1.5 to 2 amps to run the inverter, the pure sine wave, which is a must, variac, neon transformer, and you can get a no ground fault neon transformer from Pinnacle Power at West Coast Custom Designs LLC. The diodes here are composite diodes, 15 of them series, couple of those together in parallel, making you 15 kV at 10 amps each. Spark gap with north and south magnets here, 20 nanofarad high voltage cap, 15 kV. L1 is 148 pieces of 28 gauge wire together, and made 6 turns of that mess, making L1. L2 is a Barker-Williamson 40 turn 10 gauge wire, 3-inch diameter. 4 turns are removed from the center. That's tied together and then brought into a 100 microhenry air coil here for just choking. And this is a different ground here from this one. There's 2 types of grounds here. These are composite diodes again. This is a dual setup here where I've got positive 2 kV and negative 2 kV for my dual system in these 2 microfarad caps. The back EMF is passed through this way for doing negative, and this is the positive back EMF goes to this one. And those 2 kVs come down to an IGBT switch, which is on the PC board, and that goes into a 3.3 microhenry coil with a back EMF collection diode into a bunch of electrolytic caps right around 3200 microfarad, 500 volts. This output level here is fed back to the PC board, which turns the switch off, and you can adjust the voltage from 100 volts to 450, positive and negative. That goes over here into some more switches that are controlled by this Hall effect sensors out here on a CD disc with some little tiny magnets on it, and that rotates along with the 18-inch diameter aluminum rotor, 1-inch shaft, 12 neos on each side, 2 inches diameter for those. There's 2 Hall effect sensors, one's for positive, one's for negative sensing. And what I'm doing is, when the coils align themselves right, there's 2 sets. Positive will be pushing on the magnet, and then the next negative comes in as the rotor moves. It would be pulling. So it's a push-pull setup all the way around, and on each of the power coils on the stator there's an additional coil wound for a pickup coil, and those are fed back into the battery system at the beginning to rejuvenate the battery. These power coils are also, there's a shorting circuit that shorts them at peak power, and that energy that's recovered in the pickup coils goes back. And that's it. And Sassy wants to be in the video, so she's going to be here too. And that's it. Have a great day. We'll see ya. Bye-bye.